To add a custom domain to Shopify, you first need to purchase a domain name from a registrar such as GoDaddy or Namecheap. Choose a domain name that is easy to remember and relevant to your business. Once you have purchased your domain, log into your Shopify admin panel and go to the online store section. Then click on Domains. In the Domains section, click on Connect Existing Domain and enter your custom domain name. Shopify will then guide you through the process of setting up your domain. You will need to update your domain settings to point to Shopify's servers. This involves updating the DNS records for your domain. To do this, log into your domain registrar's control panel and go to the DNS settings section. Create a new record and point it to Shopify's IP address, which is provided in your Shopify admin panel. You will also need to create a new CNAME record and point it to shops.myshopify.com. After updating your DNS records, it may take some time for the changes to propagate. Once the changes have propagated, go back to your Shopify admin panel and verify your domain. If everything is set up correctly, your custom domain should now be connected to your Shopify store. It is also important to set up SSL encryption for your custom domain to ensure that your customers' data is secure. Shopify provides a free SSL certificate for all custom domains. To enable SSL, go to the Domains section in your Shopify admin panel and click on the three dots next to your custom domain. Then click on Edit and toggle the Enable SSL button. By following these steps, you can easily add a custom domain to your Shopify store and provide a professional and secure shopping experience for your customers. Remember to always test your domain after setting it up to ensure that it is working correctly and that your SSL certificate is active.